Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, amazing, wonderful, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading, and your extended reading. You can have a look on that too. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius for the month of June. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Cheer up. 7 heavenly virtues, key to goodness, money, face your fear, originality, express your sensuality, and release the power of fear. Okay, so yes, Aquarius, you need to live in the right now moment, live in the present moment. That's the message which I'm getting here for you. Okay, live in the right now moment, and you have to face your power, face your fears. Okay, you have to release the power of fear. If you have any kind of fears, face your fears here. Express your sensuality. That's the message I'm getting here. Then there is key to goodness, 7 heavenly virtues. Then there is originality, blaze your own trial. Okay, and there is money, find a way to abundance. So these are the messages which I am getting here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the message from fortune reading cards. What is the message for Aquarius? Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What is the message for Aquarius? Right now you have to keep patience, Aquarius. Slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. Okay, keep your patience, have patience. Okay, slow down and have patience. Then there is dragonfly, have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal, and connection with spirit. Okay, then there is flowers, be generous, success and emotional fulfillment are yours. Okay, then there is snake, your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path, but be careful. Maybe you are getting to see a lot of snakes around you, or snakes pictures, or snake videos, or snakes around you. That can be a possibility here. Then there is a wish, your heart desire is ready to come true. So that means your wish fulfillment is going to come true in the month of June here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Crazy Sexy Love Notes for Aquarius. Give me one message. One message for Aquarius. Play. Self-care includes having fun. Are you playing enough? Do you have enough free time, or are you booked to the minute? Life goes on by so darn fast. Make sure you have a blast along the way. Play connects us to childlike curiosity and jest. When life feels too serious, toss aside your to-do list and make room for the stuff that turns you on. Go to the movies, have an adult slumber party, swing at the playground. You are never too old to be. Okay, so let the fun shine in and live a little or lot. So play, Aquarius. Maybe you're working a lot. So that's the message I'm getting here for you. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see one message from the Grace cards. Please give me one message. Choice. For every action there is a reaction, so choose wisely. Okay, That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Everyday Miracles. Give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message? I am sustained by the love of God. Put all your faith in the love of God within you, eternal, changeless, and forever unfailing. This is the answer to whatever confronts you today. Okay, so that's beautiful message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one affirmation. Wait and see. Thoughts love to wander into assumptions and race ahead to the future. But what if you told them to cool their jets and chill a second? Today you get to put your mental chatter on pause, to take a breath and simply wait and see how things play out before you let your mind and run a marathon of imagined scenarios. Wait and you will see that waiting and seeing was a lot more productive than wondering and worrying. Okay, insert audible sign of relief here. So you have to live in the right now moment. That's the same message. Okay, wait and see how the things will unfold naturally. Just go with the flow. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Life Loves You. Thank you for giving the message. I express my gratitude and I live in a friendly universe. Make gratitude your spiritual practice today, Aquarius. Start with good morning, bed. Thank you for being so comfortable. I love you. The more you express gratitude, the more you will find to be grateful for. Okay. Then there is I live in a friendly universe. Let life befriend you today. Every hour on the hour throughout the day, remind yourself that I live in a friendly universe. So that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Healing Mantra deck, and this deck is beautiful. The colors, hearing inner guidance, and that means you have to listen to your intuitions. Your intuitions flows wherever you want them. Wherever I am still, my intuition flows. So you have to hear your inner guidance. That's the message I'm getting. Let's see what is the message from Osho 010. Osho Zen Tarot deck. Okay, Osho Zen Tarot deck. What is the message for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the message. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. What is the message here? Okay, the message is very simple here, Aquarius. You're going through a lot of suppression, stress, and you're fighting with your own mind thoughts. You're fighting with your own demons here. And because you are thinking a lot and contemplating a lot, you are experiencing stress, and you are feeling you are going through with the suppression. Suppression can be anything: suppression of emotions, suppression of anger, anything. But there is a guidance, there is an angel guidance here for you. You have to follow your angel guidance, your universe guidance. The divine guidance is present here. Stop fighting with your own mind thoughts. Okay, Aquarius, you are the master of your life here. You are the master, you are the creator of your life. Just follow the guidance which is available for you here. There is a guidance which is available for you. So that's the message I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message, I can say. Let's see what is the message from fairies. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. What is the message you want me to deliver? There is flourish and there is abundance. The lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from the experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life or those for others. So that's the first message which I'm getting here from the fairies. The second message is abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have in fairyland and human land. There is enough abundance for everyone. 1010 was the recording reading time here. There is a lot of abundance which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. So beautiful message from the fairies. Thank you, fairies, for giving the message. Let's add one message from the native spirits. What is the message, Elder? This card says confidence entering your power, standing strong. You are a leader, stepping into light. Let your truth be heard and felt by others. Make a stand in life. You carry deep inner wisdom. Okay, Aquarius, you are a teacher and a leader in the deepest sense of the words. You are a beacon for others. So stand yourself, be confident, and step into your power. Spread your lights, share your voice. I always told you this in my readings. Okay, we need Aquarius. We need you. The world needs you. So share your voice, share your light. Work on your creativity here. Okay, you have to work on your creativity. Do painting if you want to. Listen to the music. You can dance, you can sing, you can do painting, whatever. You can play. Work on your creativity. That's the message here. See, invention again. New life. Beautiful. In both of the picture, you will invent, discover yourself. If you wish to, if you want to draw, if you want to color your life here, Aquarius. You have a whole painting. Life is in canvas. Okay, you can draw anything you want to. So yes, you can invent anything. That's a creativity guides that are guiding you, basically. That use your brush, okay, to color the picture of your life, basically. 1221 is the recording reading time, and there is new life which is happening for you, which is waiting for you. New beginnings. Maybe some of you are going to get pregnant. Okay, congratulations for them. And if you're not getting pregnant, then you are going to give birth to new ideas, new proposal. Okay, anything which you are creating, that is a new birth, a new life. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having temple path here. That means take the road to the spirituality, through the spirituality. Turn on your hermit mode. Do your soul searching. Work on your inner self here. Choose the temple path here, Aquarius, so that you can get all the answers here. Okay. So that means that the door to romance is opening up for you here. Can you see the door to romance is opening up? There are someone here, Aquarius, who is feeling anxiety because of the attachments you are having from your past, or something, or some person, or something. But there is an attachment which is there for you. Can you see how this girl is being attached by the chain here? Her hand is being attached. So because of that attachment, you're feeling anxiety. So release that attachment as soon as possible. Then there is 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel, and the 1st chakra, Archangel Michael. So your crown chakra and your root chakra is getting activated. You will feel more connected to the spirituality, spiritual knowledge, and the stability and the security is coming for you. There is happy family and the sun card. That's beautiful energy. Why I'm saying that? 1 and 4 becomes to 5. 5 is all about changes. The sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. and the happy family, happy lives. Four of wands energy, 11 energy. This is beautiful energy which is coming for you. So that was the message which I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. Yeah, let me add one message from the crystal spirits and then I'm going to close out this reading here. Give me one message for Aquarius. Green Aventurine. Aventurine. Yeah, I think I pronounce it right. Okay. Let me know in the comment section if I have not pronounced it right. Okay. See, this means that good fortune, the luck, and the potential possibilities, new opportunities are coming for you. So the luck is on your side, Aquarius, and you can use this crystal spirit also for the good luck, the good fortune, new possibilities, new beginnings, new career path. Okay, that's beautiful. I can say that. I like the crystal too. So you can use this crystal in your life too, day to day. So that was your bonus love reading for the month of June. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself and see you soon.